Hey guys, so I'm starting off with moisturizing my face with Lubriderm, and then I'm taking Smashbox Photofinish primer and I'm putting it all over my face. And then we have our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm putting that on all the dark areas of my face. And then we have our Mario Badescu facial spray. I just love this spray. It just soaks everything in, especially after the concealer. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline foundation in the shade 360. This is the matte and poreless. Alright, now we're going back in with that LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. As time progresses, you guys are going to see me go back in with an even lighter concealer, and that is going to be in the shade Warm Honey. Then we have our black opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. I use this foundation stick to contour and define my face. So next up we have the Makeup Revolution setting powder in the shade Terra-Cotta. I don't really know how to feel about this setting powder. It's a little too orange for me, which is why I go back over it with an eyeshadow. You're gonna see me tap into my Masquerade palette. Now we are using one of my favorite palettes by Juvia's Place. It is the Zulu palette. I am taking that yellow shade and I am starting that out as my transition color. Then I'm taking that orange shade and it is also used as a transition color, and I'm just going to build that color up. So I'm tapping into that purple and blue shimmer shade out of the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And this is the color that's going to go in my crease. It's going to set the tone for that darkness before I add the black shade. Now I am using my MAC paint pot in Painterly. This paint pot is quite old. I've had it for a long time, so it looks kind of like crusty going on my lids, but I had already started putting it on there, so it was kind of like it was too late to turn back now, so I kind of had to make it work. But I love the MAC paint pots. I'm definitely gonna get some new ones because my older ones are just ugh. To outline the lips, I am taking my NYX Lip Liner in the shade Chestnut. Then I am going to pair it with my LA Girl Glazed Lip Paint. And after that, I'm just going to use some regular, schmagala drugstore lip gloss to kind of, you know, gloss it up.